So therefore, we will have 3x plus 4x over 5 equal negative 3 minus 4/6 plus 6 plus 12/5. So we still need to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. But before we do that, we can continue to simplify. And what I mean is, let's simplify this big mess over there because it's starting to look a little messy. So if we don't touch something, we leave it alone. Carry it down and leave it. So two things that are easy to combine here are 6 and 3, negative 3. So that we get a plus 3. And now to combine these two terms, we will need a common denominator. Common denominator that's easy to find between 6 and 5. I like to just multiply 6 times 5 to get 30. So it's going to be over 30, meaning we will have to multiply the negative 4 by 5, which is negative 20, and multiply the 12 by 6 in order to get 72. Okay. And now we have to continue to simplify that. 3x plus 4x over 5 equals 3 plus, what is 72 minus 20? That is 52 thirtieths. And what do we notice about that? They both end in an even number, so we can divide them by 2. 3x plus 4x over 5 equals 3 plus half of 50 is 25. Half of 52 would be 26. Half of 30 is 15. So now we need to deal with the x's on the other side. So if we pull out an x, if we factor out an x from both, we're left with 3 plus 4/5 equals 3 plus 26/15. And what we can do now is we can divide both sides by 3 plus 4/5, 3 plus 4/5, which will leave us with just an x on one side, and that is exactly what we want. We want the only x, we want one x to equal something. So therefore we have x equals 3 plus 26/15 all over 3 plus 4/5. And don't get confused here. It is not possible to cancel out the 3's. You have to simplify the top and the bottom of this expression in order to find out the proper number. So therefore we're going to have to do x equals 3 times 15 plus 26 over 15. All of that is over 3 times 5 plus 4 over 5, which will equal 45 plus 26 over 15, all over 15 plus 4 over 5,